Let me share with you an easy way to carry your projects, knitting or crochet. Look at my backpack. Let me share what I carry with it. I like how it stays open because of that wire that goes all around the zipper. And it has extra pockets to put different colors of yarn. And let me show you the big pocket here. There are extra little pockets here on the side, and I put my knitting needles, and then I have my crochet hooks here, a zipper for some scissors and stitch markers. And on the sides you can actually get your yarn through these holes if you want to. There are valuable holders on both sides. It is a great project backpack to carry all your things with you.